Skippers and Buddies, wacky adventures, always Skippers. Please don't forget me. Skippers and Buddies, wacky adventures. They still play until they have to be. With all their friends, including me, Red, and another one, Skippers Jr. He considers me his son, but I don't care. Even if I'm not, I'd call him a dirty pair. Come on! That wasn't a good insult. Shut up! You're not my mother. For some reason, people took me away from my mother, and I was tortured at Petco. You'll find out later in the special. Skippers and Buddies, wacky adventures. I love this toy. Where'd this even come from? Dot. No! Jeez, what's with the bird up there? Every morning he always screams, no! Like some sort of smart bird. Anyway, Red, look what I stole from a Petco. My name is Skippers Jr. He adopted me and named me. Aw, I think it's cute, but it's not good to steal. I always walk into a Petco when no one's looking and steal all the food. Oh, so that's where last Christmas you got me 50 bags of dog food. That's where you got it? Yep. And I stole this dog because he was like the outcast. He was like being pushed around and shoved, so I just took him when he was asleep. Yeah, sleeping there was the only good thing. Pretty much everywhere else I went, I almost died. They made me run through this crazy maze, and that evolved to a computer game, and this creepy grudge girl came up at my face, and I literally fell out of my chair. My arm was broken, and they didn't even care. They just kept me in a chair for 2 weeks straight. You do have fun. I'm gonna go eat a bird. There are no birds out. It's kind of getting a little dark. Too late. I'm already gonna fly. Whee! Oh, ow, that hurt. Oh, I'm fainted. Yeah, you always fake things. Come on, let's get out of here. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yeah, hey, buddy. Whoa, who's that little fella? That's Skippers Jr. I took him from a Petco. You mean you stole him? Yeah, why not? Let me guess. He broke his leg after playing that weird, scary maze game. Exactly. Yeah, that's a good thing, but it's still not good to steal. I always steal dog food. Listen to me. Listen to me. Right now. I always steal dog food. You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? You always steal dog food. I always steal dog food. You stupid puppy. Hey, you're the 1-year-old. I'm actually 4. I've lived here 4 years. Yeah, in dog years you're 4, and human years like 80. You're an old person. I'm not 80. Yes, you are, oldie. Come on, Skippers Jr. Woof, 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 woof. Oh, and I promised him I'd go on a big adventure. So I'm going to be in the front yard instead of the backyard. All right, go ahead. But I'm warning you, be careful out there. Yeah, Grandpa. Walking right along with my friend that I adopted named Skippers Jr. Walking right along. Here, I'll do my own kind of travel. I call it weed travel. In the backyard, we have these giant weeds right here. We call them. You know, they're kind of prickly. They're right there. Now, let me jump. Whee! Let me try. Whee! What goes on in adventure? Ow! I must try that again. Whoa! No! Oop, there Skippers goes. In the front yard. Whoa! Ugh. What's going on? Oh. That really hurt, Charlie. YouTube references. You realize we're on YouTube. I know, you idiot. Come on. My legs are kind of stubby and tired. Let's go on a road trip from the car. Maybe if we get inside the car, Skippers Jr., where exactly are we going? That's the problem, boy. That's the problem, son. Walking up the car. Walking up the car. Scampers? Yeah. Is there any exclamation we're on the car? We're not on the car. Look, we have two cars here. One, the one we're staying on top of, and one across from us. Oh, we are on top of the car. Great. Now how are we ever going to get down? How are we ever going to get back? I'm scared. Maybe if we jump. Whee! Oh, that seems to work. Whee! That really hurts. Yeah, Charlie, that really hurts. I love YouTube references. Oh, I'm sleepy. Here. The mailbox. That's it. Here. I'll go take you, get you for a nap in the mailbox. But wait, Scabbers, I don't think that's a good idea. It's idea, first of all. And second of all, no one cares what you say, you stupid American puppy. Ugh. Americans these days, I'm American, you're American, but we just don't exactly go with the same blood. But that doesn't mean we're American. Yes, it does, Jamaican. Dude, that's racist. A real racist, father. Alright, let's get up there. Here you go. Here you go, little Scabbers. Oh, wait, I don't think it's a good idea. Oh, yeah? And why is that? It's not like you're gonna get stuck today. Huh. I wonder who that was. Anyway, it's not like I'm gonna get stuck in here or anything. I closed it. I'm stuck in here! Oh, great. Oh, great. My little puppy friend is... Oh, no, my new son is stuck in a mailbox. I thought the day would never come. I gotta get back to the backyard and warn Buddy and Red. How am I gonna get back? And wonder how long I'm gonna have to leave my son in there. Whoa! Broken tree branch. I'm jumping on it. Whoa! Help! I can't stop coming. This is so continuously. Whoa! Wow! Yay! You fell! All free! Quick, hurry! My legs can grab you. I'm hanging with my back feet. It's hard. I don't know. Okay, fine. I'll try. Okay. And the count of 3. 1. I just want to know. I'm walking along. What are my dogs doing? It's not even my dog. Oh no. I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm imagining things. Who is that? Who's what? Oh, never mind. Alright, one, two, up. Oh no! Car's coming! Hey! Hi! Rude. Okay, let's go now. We gotta get home. Okay, so first we went weed swinging, then I got trapped in a mailbox, then you got flung from a pine tree branch all the way to me, and then you were hanging, and then you fell on cement. A car honked at us. Now you expect us to jump on that same pine tree branch that's broken off? It really got me high. And I don't mean the bad way. Whee! Oh, now that I, Destroyer Noah, am not a magic thing, I'm going to sell this box full of junk to eBay. Help! I'm stuck in the box. Oh no, what do we do? Maybe if you come in and... great! We're stuck in a box that's going to be going to eBay today. Oh, great. Oh, no. I checked my watch. Oh, wait, it's supposed to go tomorrow. Oh, we're lucky then. We have one more day to get out of this box. One more day? They really sold to eBay? I wonder what state. Japan will love these Pokemon toys. Along with you. And then some grenades will go to China. And then maybe I'll put a car in here. I'm just kidding. Ooh, that scared me. chill. My face is, my legs are dangling again out of the box. Go for help. People can't understand dog language. Just do it. Help! Everybody! Help me! We're handling from a box. Help! Hey, you there! You there! Hey, Jimmy! Jimmy! Help us! Will Scampers and Scampers Jr. ever get out of the box? Will Scampers Jr. ever stop being confused? Will Buddy and Red ever find out about this mess? And will Buddy stop sleeping? Will his tree branch ever get back on the tree? And will Red realize now there are crows in the sky? And will Scampers ever get a girlfriend? All these questions, well, most of them, except the last one, will be... sorry, I need to start this over. All these questions, except for the last couple, will be answered next time, especially the real last one.